So trees in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So trees is one of the important concepts. Okay, in today's session, we will see about what are trees in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. What are the different types of trees that are available? The first one is organization tree, department tree, position tree, and geography tree. Okay. What is organization tree? Tree is a hierarchical representation of data for the particular business object. Here the business object is organization. The hierarchical representation of the data for the particular business object. So here the first, here the level one would be enterprise or organization. The top node would be the enterprise or organization. After that, we will have divisions. Okay. After that, we will have legal entity. After that, we will have business unit. After that, again, we will have department. Okay, the organization tree, what is the sequence? Enterprise at the top node. For that enterprise, what are the divisions? And for the division, what are the legal entities? For the legal entity, what are the business units? And for the department, what are for the particular business unit? What are the different departments that are available? Okay. Now you understood that suppose we have defined multiple business units, multiple legal entities, multiple divisions, multiple departments. How will correlate each other? What is the relationship between each other? Where we will define that one. So we will define where we will define in the organization tree. Okay. Where we will define? We will define in the organization tree. Okay. So everybody understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Hierarchical representation of the data. Suppose in Tata Group, let's take Tata Group. In the Tata Group is an example. Okay, I'll take one example. Insert column before. Okay. Okay. What is the enterprise name? Tata. What is the division name? IT. What is the legal entity name? TCS. What is the business unit name? Oracle Implementation BU. What is the department name?
HR department.
Any department we will give. Related to Oracle Implementation BU, we are doing HCM implementation. There is another department who will take care of finance implementation. Okay. Is there any logical relationship between these five? Is there a logical relationship or not?
Also.
Because the HCM implementation department is under Oracle Implementation BU, and this Oracle Implementation BU comes under TCS. TCS comes under IT division. IT division comes under Tata Group. So there is a logical relationship. And where will you define the relationship? Where will define the relationship in organization trees? We will define relationship in organization trees. Okay, we will see another example. Example one. The difference is same. See that enterprise is same. The division is Tata Consumer Products. Tata Consumer Products. Or you can say Tata Retail. Retail is the division. Tata Consumer Products is the legal entity. In that, what is the business unit? Tata T. Department is Tata T Research and Development Department. Okay. In the particular enterprise, same enterprise, we are having multiple divisions, multiple legal entities, means multiple companies, multiple business units, multiple departments. How will you define the relationship between these two? You will define the relationship in organization tree. Means, so this Tata T business unit comes under this legal entity. This legal entity comes under this division in the particular enterprise. Okay, this is about organization tree. It's a hierarchical representation, right? It's a hierarchical representation of data for the particular business unit, particular business object. Here the business object is what? Organization or enterprise. Okay, everybody understood this concept?
Sir.
Okay. Now we will see in the application. Before going to application, we'll go to the articles. See, there are 4 types of trees in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud: organization tree, department trees, position trees, and geographies trees. You have to buy heart these 4. So these are the 4 different types of trees in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud: organization tree, department trees, position trees, and geography trees. Organization trees. Organization trees will have 5. One is enterprise, division, legal entity, business unit, and department. So we already gone through Tata Group. Here what we have seen, Tata Foods. Okay, we will change this to Tata, instead of retail to Tata Foods. We'll follow the same article what we have defined for Tata Foods. Okay. In the Tata Foods, what is the legal entity name? Tata Consumer Products. In the Tata Consumer Products, what is the business unit I am taking? Tata T Business Unit. Tata T Business Unit. In that, what is the department? R&D department. Okay, Tata T R&D department I am taking. And another one is TCS. Tata Group IT department, IT division, TCS legal entity, Oracle Business Unit, Oracle Implementation BU. In that, I have taken as HCM Implementation Department. So today we will see how to configure these two hierarchical representation of data in particular tree, organization tree. Okay. If you understood the concept, it is very easy. See, where we will define the logic, we should define the logical relationship between each other, right? Otherwise, how can we know that, okay, this BU comes under which and who will take care of this one? And these trees will be useful for the security purpose. Means we can define areas of responsibility for the particular HR, particular person, so that based upon the structure, people can have only access to only this business unit or particular this business unit. Okay, there are a lot of advantages of trees. So maintain hierarchy of different organization structures. Okay, we can secure by organization hierarchy. We can secure, suppose if a particular person we have given security at this level, PCS level, HR person who is in Tata Consumer Products cannot able to view these details with this data. We can secure by organization, and we can define secure by areas of responsibility using hierarchy type. Okay, these are the advantages. Okay, we will go to the enterprise. First of all, what we need to do here, we need to go to establish enterprise structure. So what are the different enterprises we are having? Only two enterprises, right? Vamsi.
Hi, sir.
So what are the enterprises we are having?
Toyota Corporation and Vision Corporation.
So how many enterprises we are having here?
Two enterprise.
Only two enterprises. Okay, here I want to create the data. First of all, you need to create the data, right?
Yes, sir.
So here we need to establish the enterprise Tata group. It's not there. Okay. You need to establish the enterprise. You have to click on create. What is the enterprise name? Tata. GR, or we can, okay, we will give follow the same Tata group only. Tata group. Okay. Enterprise name Tata. Tata group. Tata group. Primary industry. Information technology. Headquarters. We all know how to create establish enterprise structure, right?
So,
We will create the legal address. Create the legal address. Nine 4061. Okay. Next, what are the divisions I want to create? I want to create IT division. Country is United States. location. Already we have created the location, right? Tataway, Redwood City. Now I want to create another division,
Retail.
Tata Foods. I've given Tata Foods, right? So I created Tata Foods. United States. And the location is Redwood City. Okay. Click on next. Okay, we are creating here the legal entities. What are the legal entity names we are creating here? TCS. Under division IT, here you can define and TCS legal entity identifier. Just give some 247. This is for understanding all the inputs we need to get from the client here. Whatever the inputs we are giving, all the inputs we need to get from the client. So Tata Consumer Products. Tata Foods. PCP. I have given the address same. Okay, click on next. Okay, business units. Okay, I want to create a business units for these two, not for Tata Group. Okay, just click on next. So what is the business units I want to create? Oracle
TCS.
implementation BU.
BU. Tata T BU. Tata T.
Okay, for this company, I'm giving one business unit Tata T BU. Okay, it's active. Okay. Click on next. And what are the departments? We'll create it later. So the common set is okay. It's common set. So reference the data set. So we are taking common set on common set. Next. This is also common set. Next. So we have created the enterprise. We have created the divisions. We have created the legal entities. We have created the business units. Okay. Now we are clicking on save and close. We have created the enterprise. Now select that enterprise. Okay. Select the enterprise. What we have to do? We have to load the enterprise into the system. Click on load. Okay, very good. We have done correctly, and we have loaded the system. We have loaded the enterprise into the system. Okay. We have loaded the enterprise into the system, and next we have to click on save and close. Okay. Now what are pending here? Creation of departments are pending, right? To create an organization tree. Now we will create the departments. Instead, go to manage departments. Manage departments. Go to manage departments and click on create. What is the name of the department we want to create? HCM implementation. So better to understand, for understanding purpose, I am creating Tata HCM implementation department. For understanding sake only, name is HCM implementation department. And location. Already we have created a location, right? Tata. Click on next. Tata HCM implementation department. It's a reporting name. And what is the work start time, end time, all these details you can give. It's all optional fields. Okay. Click on submit. Now create another department.
Tata Tea Research.
Tata T R&D department. Okay, click on next. Okay, we have created two departments, right? Tata. So we have created Tata HCM implementation department, Tata T R&D department. We are having other HR departments also, that also we can use if required. Okay, we have click on done. Okay. Now we need to go to organization trees. So we have created all the required information. Now we need to create an organization tree. Manage organization trees. Already somebody has created Tata group. Okay, we will delete that one. We have deleted the Tata group organization. Now click on create. Click on next. Click on next. Click on submit. We have created Tata group. Okay, sorry. Spelling mistake. We will cancel that one. We will delete that one, and we will start. We will create a new one. Tata GROIP group. So always be aware of spelling mistakes. Don't do any spelling mistakes. It look odd. Okay, Tata group organization tree. Once you create the Tata group organization tree, you need to create the tree version. Okay. What is the version? Means suppose let's take in 1951, we have started the company. At that time, we are having only two divisions. One is IT division and another one is Tata Foods division. After that, we have expanded to Tata airlines division. And then multiple divisions came into picture. We want to maintain the versions, Tata Airlines, Tata Steel, Tata Tourism and all. We can maintain the versions. With the help of version, we can maintain V1, V2, V3 with the version, with the help of versions. We can maintain the structure, means tree data. Means at what time the organization starts keep on growing with versions. Okay. Tata Group organization tree, version 1. Effective start date is 1/1/1951. Every time we will start with this date. Click on next. A blank tree version created successfully. Click OK to do the node operations. Okay. Blank tree has been created. Now we need to define the hierarchical representation. So in top node, what is the top node in organization? What is the top node in the organization? Enterprise. Okay, click on search. In the classification name, you need to select enterprise. Okay. In the classification name, what is the business object? Enterprise. In the classification name, you need to select enterprise and give Tata Group. Add to tree node. Okay, we have added this Tata Group to tree node. Okay. Now add this search for classification name is division. Search for the division. So what are the divisions we are having? One is IT and another one is Tata Foods. Select IT division and add to tree node. We have added this IT division, right? Now again go to the top node and click on plus symbol. Again, I want to add the division, another division. Click for search and Tata Foods. So these two divisions are attached to which one? These two divisions are attached to enterprise. Now for IT, just we will start with foods, Tata Foods. Select the record and click on plus symbol. Click on search. So once divisions are completed, what we have to select?
Legal entity.
Legal entity. Now click on search. Classification name is legal. Legal employer. Okay. Tata Consumer Products. So Tata Consumer Products is one of the legal entity, right?
So,
So another one is TCS. TCS is one of the legal entity, right? So for this Tata Foods division, what is the legal entity we are giving?
Consumer.
Tata Consumer
Tata
Products. So for Tata Consumer Products, we have added. For this company, what are the business unit we need to add?
Tata T.
Tata T. So what is the classification we need to select? Business unit. And what is the name? Tata. So Tata T business unit. Tata Consumer Products, Tata Tea Business Unit. So for this business unit, Tata Tea Business Unit, what is the department I want to add?
Tata Research and Development.
Yeah, Tata Tea Research and Development Department. So Tata Tea Research and Development Department at Renode. So we have added this one. So Tata Foods legal entity or Tata Foods division is completed. Now coming to IT division, I'll come to search for the legal entity, legal employer. TCS. At Renode. So for this IT division, TCS is the legal entity, means company. For the TCS company, which business unit I have to add?
Tata HCM and
Oracle Implementation BU. I have created Oracle Implementation BU, right? I have not given Tata, just I have given only Oracle Implementation BU. In the Oracle Implementation Business Unit, what is the department I have given? HCM Implementation Department. Add the department. Classification name as department and select HCM percentile. I will give
Tata
implementation. Tata HCM, we have given. Yes, Tata HCM Implementation Department. Okay. Now we have created the organization tree hierarchy. So Tata Group is an enterprise, IT is a division, TCS is a legal entity, Oracle Business Unit is the Oracle Implementation Business Unit is the business unit, Tata HCM Implementation Department is a department. So this is the hierarchy of the IT division. What is the hierarchy of the Foods division? Tata Foods. In the Tata Consumer Products is a legal entity or company. In the Tata Tea is a business unit. In that Tata Tea R&D is a department is a department. Okay, now I want to add another business unit for the Tata Consumer Products. Classification name is BU. Okay, there is no. Okay, fine. We need to create the BU first. No problem. I know we have we will stick to our own plan. Organization tree, example 1, example 2. Okay, we have created example 1 here, example 2 here, right? Click on submit. The version Tata Group Organization 1 for Tata Group ORG tree created successfully. Click on OK. So now what will happen is we have created a draft version. We have created the draft version. In order to make it active, we need to select the record. So go to actions, set status as active. If we made set status as active, in order to make it active, we need to verify the records, whether it is correct in organization tree position is correct or not. Hierarchy is correct or not. Then we need to click on online audit. It will verify whether it is in the correct format or not. Means the enterprise at the top level, division at the second level,
Legal
Legal
entity.
employer is the third level, business unit is
G.
the fourth level, department is the fifth level. It will verify the correct details or not. Okay. You click on online audit. You click on online audit and audit completed successfully. If you do any mistakes, it will throw error. Means obviously hierarchy should be in correct approach, correct manner. Enterprise at the top level, division at the second level, legal entity at the third level, or legal entity or legal employer, third level, business unit at fourth level, department at fifth level. These are the hierarchical structure. So it will verify whether all the details we have given is the correct format or not. How it will verify? Data R&D is a department, not a enterprise. A group is an enterprise, not a department. So it will verify all the details properly, and then only it will give the, okay, it will verify, and root node validator, everything it will verify properly. Okay, click on OK. Okay, audit passed, it will show. Now click on done. Okay. So with this, we have created a organization tree structure version 1. Okay. With this, we have created organization tree structure version 1. If tomorrow, if you want to add another division, okay, we need to come here. We need to make this as a inactive or a draft version. We need to add another division, another business unit, another legal employer, another business unit, and another departments. So this is how we will give structure for the organization. Okay, this is called as organization trees. So what is the main advantage of organization trees is, so we can secure the records by using organization hierarchy. A organization hierarchy is nothing but organization tree. We can assign some of the responsibilities using areas of responsibility using hierarchy. So hierarchy is nothing but a tree. So these are the advantages. Okay. Okay, today we are done. We are done with organization trees. Please practice this one. Go to article reference link as well and go through the Oracle help document if required. Okay, go to Oracle help document also. You can understand more.